Hello students, last video we had completed shapes of molecules having only bonding molecular orbital around central atom in VSEPR principle. Now we have to do the shapes of molecules having bonding as well as non-bonding electron pair around it. One by one we will discuss. First type of molecule is AB2E type. AB2E. What do you mean by AB2E? A is the central atom around which there are two bonding pair, be it a bonding pair, and there are two bonding pair of electron. E means lone pair, non-bonding pair. So there is one lone pair of electron. AB2E type molecule means around central atom there are total 3 electron pair, 2 are bonding and 1 is lone pair. 3 total electron pair. If 3 electron pairs are there, how they will arrange at an angle of 120 degree by making a geometry of planar triangular. See, this is lone pair, this is bond pair, and this is bond pair. So geometry must be planar triangular, bond angle must be 120 degree. But what is the shape of the molecule? Due to presence of this lone pair, geometry is planar triangular. Geometry is planar triangular, but shape will become bent. Due to presence of lone pair, shape becomes bent like this. The bond angle is somewhat less than 120 degree. Maybe 119.5, maybe 118, because of presence of this lone pair and its repulsive effect. In VSEPR principle we had done, if there is lone pair of electron present around central atom, then repulsion of lone pair and bond pair is more compared to two bond pair. So these bond pair repulsion is less, but lone pair and bond pair repulsion is more. This lone pair and this bond pair repulsion is more. So due to this more repulsion, these two bond pairs somewhat come close. So bond angle is less than 120 degree, shape is bent, and bond angle will be 119.5 degree. If you see the example, then it is SO2 and O3. SO2, O3. What is the shape of sulfur dioxide? This way. I told you we have to see 3 electron pair around sulfur. One is lone pair and 2 bond pair. Double bond will be considered as single bond. I told you earlier in VSEPR principle. So total 3 electron pair around sulfur, 2 are bonding pair and 1 is lone pair. So what is the shape of sulfur dioxide? Bent, and bond angle is 119.5 degree. Similarly, ozone. It is also having 3 electron pair. One is non-bonding and 2 are bonding pair. So whenever the molecule is AB2E type, that is around central atom A, there are 3 electron pair. One is lone pair and 2 are bonding pair. Then geometry will be planar triangular, but shape will be bent. Why bent shape? Due to presence of lone pair and its repulsive effect, the shape will become bent. Now next type of molecule, second type. Second type of molecule is AB3E. AB3E. What do you mean by AB3E? Around central atom A, there are total 4 electron pair. 3 bonding and 1 lone pair. Bonding pair 3. Lone pair 1. Total electron pair 4. Total electron pair around central atom is 4. If there are 4 electron pair around central atom, what is the geometry? Tetrahedral. A central atom, this is lone pair, and these are the bond pair. So what is the geometry? Actually the geometry is tetrahedral. Hona chahiye. Bond angle is 109 degree, 28 minutes. But again, due to presence of lone pair of electron, it will repel these 3 bond pair more. repulsion between these bond pairs will be less. So due to lone pair bond pair repulsion, this bond angle decrease 109 degree 28 minutes से 108 107 degree कम हो जाता है, and because of that its shape become pyramidal, trigonal pyramidal, and bond angle become 107 or 108 degree. So shape due to lone pair of electron, it becomes trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal. Bond angle less than 109 degree 20 minutes. Depends upon the molecule, how many atoms are there, which atoms are there, they will decide, but it is less than 109 degree 28 minutes. Example is ammonia, NH3. It has 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. This is lone pair of electron. What is the shape of ammonia? Pyramidal. Triploid strand જેમ 3 bond pair હોય, 3 dimensional હોય, and ઉપર lone pair of electron. What is the bond angle? 107 in ammonia. Other example are PH3, phosphine, PCl3. They all have 1 electron pair as a lone pair and 3 bond pair of electrons. Okay. Third type of molecule is AB2E2 type. Third type is AB2E2. Again, how many bonding pair? 2. How many lone pair? 2. Total pair of electron? 4. I told you, as there are 4 pair of electron, the shape must be, geometry must be tetrahedral. A, this is lone pair, this is lone pair, bond pair, and this bond pair. Tetrahedral geometry होना चाहिए. Tetrahedral. Bond angle must be 109 degree 28 minutes. Now there are two lone pairs present. Lone pair repulsion is maximum. So between these two lone pairs, the repulsion is maximum. Bond pair repulsion is minimum. So what will happen? These electron pair come still closer to each other. Shape will become bent. Shape is bent. And bond angle still reduces 109 degree 28 minutes to 104.5 degree. Bond angle less than 109 degree 28 minutes. 109 degree 28 minutes. Example is H2O, water. Around oxygen, there are 2 bonding pair and 2 lone pair of electrons are there. So total 4 electron pair around oxygen in water. These 2 lone pair repel maximum. So these 2 bond pair come close. So bond angle reduces from 109 degree 28 minutes to 104.5 degree. So shape will be bent or angular, and bond angle in water will be 104.5 degree. So H2O is an example of AB2E2 type. Clear? Next, fourth type of molecule. Fourth type of molecule is AB4E. Now there are 4 bonding pair, 1 lone pair around central atom, means total 5 electron pairs are there. If there are 5 electron pair around central atom, then geometry must be trigonal bipyramidal. A at the center. These are the situations of bonding and non-bonding pair. Trigonal bipyramidal. 1 lone pair and baki bond pair. See, this is lone pair. These are bonding pairs. 4. Geometry कैसी होगी? Trigonal bipyramidal. Triangular bipyramidal. Triangular bipyramidal. These 3 are in same plane. Angle between them is 120 degree. And these 2 are lying above the plane, like this. In base, it is triangle 3 bonds, one above the plane and one below the plane. So geometry must be trigonal bipyramidal. But due to presence of this lone pair of electron and its repulsive effect, the shape will become seesaw. कैसा हो जाएगा shape? Seesaw. स्विंग आता है ना बच्चों का बैलेंस बनाने वाला seesaw type. આ બે છે એ જમીનમાં હોય અહીંયા એક માણસ બેસે અહીંયા એક માણસ બેસે અને બેલેન્સ કરવાનું. That is called seesaw. So shape of this molecule which is having one lone pair and four bonding pair is not trigonal bipyramidal. It will be seesaw type. Example is SF4. SF4 has four bonding pair and one lone pair. So its shape becomes seesaw type like this. 1F, second F, third F, 4F, and here it is lone pair. So due to presence of one lone pair of electron, its shape become seesaw, not triangular planar. Now the question is, why this lone pair arranged at equatorial position? In triangle, these sides here, these places are called equatorial position and these are called axial position. This is equatorial and this is axial. Above and below the plane, the bond is called axial bond and these bonds are called equatorial bond. Now the question is, only equatorial position can be occupied by a lone pair. Lone pair cannot be present at axial position. One lone pair, two lone pair, three lone pair, they will always occupy equatorial position. What is the reason? Because this equatorial position is at 120-degree angle from another bonding pair or another two equatorial position. This axial bonds, they are at 90-degree from all the bonds. આનાથી બી 90, આનાથી બી 90, બધાથી 90-degree angle. If electron pair which is a lone pair whose repulsion is maximum, if it is placed at equatorial position, then the repulsion will be minimum. So in order to minimize the repulsion, the lone pair always occupy equatorial position. Any one of the equatorial position will be occupied by lone pair of electron. We cannot place it on axial position. Clear? SF4 is the example. Shape is seesaw. Next molecule, it's AB4E. Now next is AB3E2. AB3E2. Again there are four pairs. Bonding pairs are 3, lone pairs are 2, total pairs 5. If total electron pair around central atom is 5, then its geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. 3, 4 and 5. As I told you, lone pairs always occupy equatorial position. These are the position of lone pair. These are the position of bond pair. Okay. Now, geometry must be trigonal planar. Geometry is triangular planar due to presence of 5 electron pair around A. But 2 are lone pair and due to their repulsive effect, its shape becomes T shape. What type of shape it has? T shape. This way A, this is B, this is B, this is B. And 2 lone pairs will be present here. One this side, one this side. So what is the shape of molecule? It is T shape. Okay. Example is ClF3 or BrF3. ClF3 has 2 lone pair of electron. Its shape is T. 1F, second F, third F, and there are 2 lone pair of electrons. So all those molecules in which the central atom has total 5 electron pair, 3 bonding and 2 lone pair, its geometry will be planar triangular due to presence of 5 electrons. But as 2 are lone pair, its shape become T shape. Okay. Next. Next type of molecule is AB5E. AB5E. मतलब total bonding pair 5, lone pair 1, and how many total pair of electron? 6. If there are total 6 pair of electron, then geometry will be octahedral. 1, 2, 3, 4, this 5 and this 6. One is lone pair, 5 are bonding pair. See, bonding pair, bonding pair, bonding pair, arranged, and this is lone pair. So geometry क्या होनी चाहिए? Geometry must be octahedral because there are 6 electron pair around it. But now there is one lone pair of electron. Any one place the lone pair can be arranged because all the bond angles are 90 degrees. So when lone pair is arranged, its shape becomes square pyramidal. What is the shape? Square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. Like this. A at the center, 4B at the four corner of a square, and 1 above the plane. This is called square pyramidal, and lone pair is arranged at the bottom. So if there is a 6 electron pair around central atom, 5 are bonding pair, 1 is lone pair, then shape becomes square pyramidal and geometry will be octahedral. Example is BrF5. BrF5. Bromine at the center, 5 fluorine atoms are arranged at the corner and 1 above the plane, and this is the lone pair. So what is the shape of BrF5? It will be square pyramidal. Okay, AB5E. Next type of molecule is after AB5E, it is AB4E2. AB4E2. How many bonding pair AB4E2 have? 4. How many lone pair it has? 2. Total pair 6. If there are total 6 pair, then it will be octahedral. Geometry will be octahedral like this. 2 lone pair will be arranged at 180 degree angle, so that repulsion any 2 places we can arrange. Here it will be bonding, bonding, bonding and bonding. So geometry is octahedral due to presence of 6 electron pair. But what is the shape of molecule? The shape of molecule is square planar. What is the shape? Square planar. Due to presence of 2 lone pair, the shape becomes square planar. Because shape is decided by bonding pair, not by the lone pair. Lone pair will, change the geometry. But shape is because of bonding pair only. So more bonding pair will be arranged at the corner of a square. Shape will be square planar. And there are 2 lone pair of electrons around it. 90 degree bond angle. Example is XeF4. It has 2 lone pair of electrons, xenon at the center, 4 fluorine at 4 corner. 2 lone pairs are present like this. So its geometry is octahedral, but its shape will be square planar. Okay, any places we can arrange these two. These are the shapes of different molecules where lone pair as well as bonding pair of electron present. So shape will be different from geometry due to presence of lone pair of electron and its repulsive effect. If any reason will be asked why shape is, there are 5 electron pair, 1 is lone pair, then the why shape is seesaw, it's not trigonal bipyramidal. So your answer must be due to presence of lone pair and its repulsive effect, its geometry changes from this geometry to that one. So it is all because of the repulsion between lone pairs and repulsion between lone pair bond pair and repulsion between bond pair bond pair. What is the order of repulsion? I told you earlier, 2 lone pairs repel maximum, then 2 lone pair and bond pair repulsion, least repulsion between 2 bond pairs. So if only bond pairs are there, the repulsion will be equal, like all bond pairs repel each other equally. But if there is presence of lone pair, then order of repulsion will change. And due to order of repulsion, changing in order of repulsion, the geometry of the molecule changes. Clear? હવે કોઈ ક્વેશ્ચન આવે તો કેવી રીતના એનો જવાબ આપવાનો? How to find what is the shape of molecule? Suppose we wanted to find out the shape of H2S molecule. What is the shape of H2S molecule? Suppose somebody told us to find shape of H2S molecule. What we have to do? First draw its Lewis dot structure. 2 into 1 valence electron, sulfur 6, so total 8 pairs, 8 electrons, and how many pair it has? 4 pair of electrons. Okay, valence electrons total 4. Now we have to draw skeletal structure, sulfur, oxygen and oxygen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Place 1 pair of electron around it, hit the center so that at least single bond is there. Complete octet of hydrogen, it is already completed. Hydrogen require only 2 electrons. Total 4 electrons are there. 2 we had placed. 2 electrons will be given to sulfur as a lone pair. How many electron pairs sulfur have now? 4 pairs. Out of 4 pairs, 2 are bond pairs, 2 are lone pairs. It is type of Ab2E2. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. These are bond pair. These are lone pair. Geometry must be tetrahedral. But what is the shape? Bent shape. See in that table, it is bent shape. So at the center A, 2 bonding pair like this and 2 lone pair of electron like this. So shape is bent. And the bond angle is 104 degree, less than 120 or 109 degree 28 minutes. Okay, so first find out how many electron pair around central atom. Whether it has 2 pair, 4 pair, 5 pair. Find out that. And then compare it. 2 lone pair, 2 bond pair. So it is Ab2E2 type. Ab2E2 means shape will be bent. Geometry will be still tetrahedral. Clear? Suppose we want to find out for XeF6. What is the shape of XeF6? First we'll find out lone pair of electrons, total valence electrons. Valence electron xenon में 8 होता है क्योंकि all inert gases have 8 electron and it is 6 into 7, so 42. 8 plus 42, so total 50 pair of electrons. 25 pairs. 25 pairs. How to draw its Lewis structure? Xenon at the center, 6 fluorine like this. Put 1 electron pair in between them so that they form at least single bond. Complete octet of each fluorine atom. See, its octet completed. Its octet completed. Its octet completed. Fluorine, 3 electron pair needed so that its octet is completed. We are having 25 pair of electrons. 24 pair of electrons we had already placed. If there is extra electron pair, that will be given to the central atom. Xenon ne api pair. Now how many pair of electrons xenon have? 7 pair of electron it has. How many? 7. 6 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. If there are 7 electron pair, in book it is not given, but shape will be pentagonal bipyramidal. 7 total pairs are there. What is the geometry? Pentagonal bipyramidal. This type of geometry. 7 electrons are there. A at the center. Pentagon banata hua. This is pentagonal bipyramidal. 1 and this. So shape of XeF6. Geometry of XeF6 will be pentagonal bipyramidal, but its shape become distorted octahedral. Due to presence of 1 lone pair, it's not perfectly octahedral, it will be distorted octahedral. Xe at the center, 4 fluorine like this way, and 1 lone pair. Due to presence of lone pair of electron and its repulsive effect, its shape become distorted octahedral. So just we have to find out how many electron pair central atom has. By seeing that table, these many bond pair, this is lone pair, we can easily find out the shape of different molecules. Okay. Next video we will talk about valence bond theory.